Well, it's a monumental day for reproductive rights in this country. The Supreme Court will hear arguments in a case that could overturn the historic case of Roe versus Wade. Joe Khalil live outside the Supreme Court. Joe, a lot of people are still wondering about the far-reaching implications of this pending decision. Let's break it down.
Yeah, you're exactly right. And I mean, obviously, this is an issue that strikes at the emotions of a lot of people. That's why it really was no surprise this morning. You had demonstrators on both sides of the issue out in front of the Supreme Court, even before the sun came up. I'm going to step aside and let you see what's going on here. Large crowds separated by a barrier right now. It's been peaceful, but Adrienne, you're absolutely right. What is decided in this Mississippi case is absolutely going to set the course for how the country handles abortions moving forward. It's the most direct challenge to Roe v. Wade since the Supreme Court ruled the right to an abortion was constitutionally protected in 1973.
The decision to end a pregnancy during the first 3 months belongs to the woman and her doctor, not the government.
A Mississippi law banning abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. If the 6-3 conservative majority on the high court rules in favor of Mississippi, it sets a new precedent, opening the door for states nationwide to write stricter abortion laws. In the years before Roe, Heather Booth helped women get illegal abortions.
If we want women's full participation in the society, we need to make sure we keep this legal and safe and accessible.
Abortion rights advocates warn no matter the outcome in the case, opponents of abortions are making gains. The existing court precedent hinges on the viability rule. It's the principle that no state can ban abortions before a fetus becomes viable or able to survive outside the womb, determined to be 24 weeks. Backers of the Mississippi law say the science around viability has changed.
And it's past time for this unconstitutional decision to be overturned and for the court to return jurisdiction over abortion to the states.
Some of the most prominent conservative voices weighing in ahead of the consequential arguments.
Do we want to be a nation that tolerates the ending of innocent, unborn human life?
Now, in the next hour, we're going to head over and be on that side, talk to some of these protesters here. I can tell you that certainly what has the pro-life crowd here hopeful and, frankly, the other side of it a little bit nervous. Not only is the 6-3 conservative majority on the court, but also the fact that the court took this case up at all, they already think says something. We're waiting for those arguments to start later on this morning. Adrienne.
It is a highly controversial and highly emotional issue, as you said. Thank you so much, Joe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.